Hey everyone, it's Steve here from CoinKite, and today we're going to be showing you some of our trick pin functions on our COLDCARD Q. Let's get started. First, you're going to want to scroll down to the Settings menu, then select Login Settings. Now scroll down to Trick Pins and hit Enter. From here you have a few options. We're going to select Add New Trick to start. Now it's time to enter in the pin you want to set for this trick. I've selected 1, 1, 1, 1. Enter. 1, 1, 1, 1. Now we have a few options. We can select Brick Self, Wipe Seed, Duress Wallet, Login Countdown, Look Blank, Just Reboot, or Delta Mode. In this case, we selected Brick Self, which will instantly brick the device forever, if this pin is entered. Hit Enter again to confirm this trick pin. Great, it's now saved. Now we're going to turn off the device and try signing in with that Brick Me pin. After hitting Enter, this device is now rendered useless and is bricked for life. There's literally nothing you can do except for dispose of this device now because you can no longer get in. Let's grab another COLDCARD and check out some of the other trick pins that we offer. Go to Add New Trick and repeat the process with a different pin. After hitting Enter, this time we're going to select Wipe Seed. When entering this pin, it will wipe the seed from the device. There's 4 options to choose from: Wipe and Reboot, Silent Wipe, Wipe Wallet, or Say Wiped, then Stop, meaning that it will display a message saying that the device has been wiped and that you should stop. For this scenario, we're going to select Silent Wipe and hit Enter. This wipes the pin from the device, but the device just acts like it's a wrong pin attempt. Hit Enter, then Enter again, and it should save onto your device. Great, it's now saved. Now let's power on the device, enter our pin, and see it in action. Once you've hit Enter after entering that trick pin, it will wipe the seed and show Wrong Pin. Now we're going to enter in the correct pin and see what the main menu shows now. As you can see, the seed has been wiped, and it will prompt you to create a new seed or import an existing one. Now we're going to go through the same steps to add a new trick pin, and we're going to select Duress Wallet this time. When entering this trick pin, this leads to a Duress Wallet only, but the COLDCARD acts as if the true main pin was entered. The main wallet is not accessible, and the Duress Wallet can be one of 3 BIP85 wallets or a legacy wallet. This is a nice wallet to store a small amount of funds to give to a bad actor that may approach you or your device to rob you of your Bitcoin. We're hitting Enter to select the first BIP85 wallet. Then hitting Enter twice more to save. Now that we have our Duress wallet saved, we're going to go into our trick pin and select Activate Wallet. This will allow us to sign from this wallet, but more importantly, export the JSON file so we can import some funds. The Duress wallet will be loaded temporarily, and then we can reboot or select Restore Master to go back to the main seed. Now let's add a login countdown as a trick pin. This allows the COLDCARD to display a login countdown timer for 1 hour by default, and does one of the following options: Wipes and Countdowns, Countdown and Brick, or just Countdown. We're going to select Just Countdown, as this does the countdown and then resets the device. It's important to keep in mind that you must keep the device on at all times for the counter to run out, or else it will start the duration of the countdown again. The seed is not wiped and the COLDCARD is not bricked. You just have to wait until the timer runs out. You can change the duration of the countdown by going into that trick pin that you've set, hitting Enter, then pressing 4. It can be as low as 5 minutes or as high as 28 days. In our case, we're selecting 5 minutes. Now let's turn off the device and see the login countdown in action. It's time to reboot and enter in our trick pin. As you can see, we have a 5-minute countdown, and now we have to wait. Now that the time is up, we can enter in our actual pin. Now that we've shown you a few examples of our trick pins, we'll now show you the last 3 that you can set. The next is called Look Blank, which the cold card will look and act as if it was just wiped, but not actually wipe the seed. Another is called Just Reboot, which just reboots the cold card and nothing else happens. Here's a demo of the reboot trick pin. And lastly, Delta Mode. Delta Mode is designed to defend against attackers that know the specific wallet they're looking for. This information is easy to leak via watch-only wallets on a user's computer or phone. This is the most advanced option and not recommended for novices. In Delta Mode, the attacker will have access to the main wallet of the cold card and be able to do most things. However, they will not be able to spend funds from the wallet or view the seed. Attempting to view the seed will wipe it. To use Delta Mode, the prefix of the trick pin must match the true main pin. For this example, it must be 1234. Only the final 4 digits of the trick pin should be different from the true main pin. You've now successfully set one of each trick pin. If you wish to delete your trick pins that you set, you can go down to Delete All and hit Enter. It will ask you, are you sure? And you can hit Enter again. Hit Enter once more, and they will all be deleted. And finally, you can add a special handling for wrong pin attempts if you like. Select Add If Wrong, then select Enter again. You can now manually choose the number of wrong attempts that will trigger the next choice. You can now select from the 6 following options, similar to the regular trick pins. I selected Brick Self. This means that after 3 wrong pin attempts, the device will brick. Hit Enter to save. Great, it's now been saved. There's also the option to hide or even edit the trick pin if you'd like. Go down to the trick and hit Enter. From here, you can select Hide Trick, you can even delete or select Bricks CC to edit. We selected Hide, and you can click Enter to save. And as you can see, the trick is not there, but the trick is still in effect. Thanks for watching. For more information or to make a purchase, go to coinkite.com.